Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a look at a crucial component for anyone flying the Powerdolphin drone, a replacement intelligent battery. If your original battery is damaged or just not holding a charge like it used to, finding a reliable replacement is essential to keep your drone operational. The product we're examining is described as a genuine intelligent battery specifically for the Powerdolphin. It's presented as original brand new accessories, intended to directly replace a damaged original battery. This is great news for Powerdolphin owners who need to get their drone back in action without hassle. One of the key selling points mentioned is easy installation. For drone users, being able to quickly swap out a battery and get back to flying or filming is incredibly important. Nobody wants to struggle with complicated procedures just to change a power source. The description also highlights fine craftsmanship, suggesting that this replacement battery is well built and designed with attention to detail. Furthermore, it's marketed as high quality for professional use. This implies it's not just a basic replacement, but is built to meet the demands of serious drone operation. Durability, wear resistance, and a long lifetime are also listed as features, which are vital for a component that undergoes charging cycles and powers a sophisticated piece of equipment like the Powerdolphin. A battery that lasts longer and withstands regular use means less downtime and more time capturing footage. The battery comes from the brand FERZI, listed with the model name FERZI 123. It's a single unit, weighing in at 700 grams. This weight gives you a sense of the battery's size and substance, likely comparable to the original to maintain the drone's balance and performance characteristics. Knowing the weight can also be helpful for transport and storage. Ultimately, the purpose of this product is clear: to provide a reliable, high-quality replacement for the Powerdolphin's intelligent battery. If the claims of being genuine, original quality, durable, and easy to install hold true, this could be an excellent option for extending the life and usability of your Powerdolphin drone. It allows users to avoid the frustration of a dead or failing battery and ensures the drone is ready whenever you need it. Getting your drone back up and running smoothly is the main goal, and a functional, dependable battery is the first step.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.